Buddy, my name is Alpha Bharat. I am studying in LKG class. My school name is Brain Bunny International Free School. Honorable Chief Guest, Respect and Principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. As you all know, we all have gathered here to celebrate 79th Independence Day. This is very special day for all of us. It is 15th August, our Independence Day in the year 1947. Our national flag is very beautiful. It has three colors of brown, white and green with the Ashoka chakra in the middle. Let us all promise to be good children and represent our country. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Jai Jai Bharat.